We are here at the Royersford Fire Department for the second annual Royersford Emergency Services Night. Montgomery County Department of Public Safety is here with one of their trucks that they can work remotely off-grid, and in case of a disaster they can have the calls and all the operations work from this truck. One of the stations is a controlled fire, showing kids in our community how to distinguish a fire. The school district police are here as well, talking to the community on how they help with keeping our schools safe. The auto rescue crew is here to show how they respond to help clean up after the accident occurs. The SWAT team is here along with one of their canine units, showing and demonstrating how dogs are used to help in incidences. And we also have a reenactment of a car accident here on scene, show people what you should do when you see an accident and show kids dangers of texting and driving.